Welcome back. We are now going to customize the account profile. And to do that, we're first going to start by going to the right-hand corner and clicking Account. And the first thing you'll see is all of your billing information. You'll see how much space you're using versus your limit. You'll see your current plan as well as any invoices that you have had, and then where your billing is being sent. So if you want to change any of that, you can change that here where it says Change Invoice Details. The other thing that's customizable on this name, you'll notice that this account says Thomas Duncan's Basecamp. What you can do is you can change that account name so that it is something else, and you can change that and write something else in and then save the changes. Everything is saved then in real time. Now the other thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click this link that says Me. When you click this link, you're going to have some other personalized information that you can change. You're going to first click Update Your Personal Information. What you can do here is you can change your time zone so that your time will be reflected in all of your interactions with the people that are going to be in your group. You can also upload a photo. We can choose a file here from our hard drive. When you do that, you're going to click Save My Changes. The only other things you're going to want to note is that if you want to have a different Basecamp ID, you can actually use it to access this particular account. We're going to click Save My Changes. And what you'll notice about the image is that every place that you are going to be interacting, you'll see your avatar show up inside of Basecamp, just as it is here. Now you're going to notice two links at the top here, Everyone and Me. Me is going to have all of your personal information, and we'll actually be showing you that in a separate video. Now, the next video, what we're going to do is we're actually going to change the Basecamp settings, which will change because you are the administrator of the account. Now, if you are going to be using this along with someone else that's administrator, you'll still need to retain some control because you are the billing contact. So even if you want to turn over administration to someone else, you'll still retain control of the Basecamp account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.